Good morning, good morning. Okay, first things first. I'm kind of upset yesterday. So, as you guys know, yesterday for NASDAQ, I was hoping. So, I'll show you guys what I was looking at before this even happened today. I just did this pre analysis real quick today, but. So, as you guys can see, we were inverting this IFAG and 4, right? And I said I wanted to see higher prices. Right? During this time, and I wanted to see this would predominantly hold price up. I told you guys this was a change in delivery. Right? When this candle happened, let me just make it a little more clear. When this candle happened, I told you guys, like for me, this is already a red flag because this is already a change in delivery with this huge momentum candle, right? Cool. So I was like, okay, so I'm like demanding at this point. I'm looking for a long time at this point. I'm demanding like the next thingy to like start showing me price to go higher. So then we at the evening, we have this. We have no closure. As you can see, we have no closure, right? So I'm like, okay, cool. So I think this was what today in the morning. So I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna wait and see if this gets inverse 100% or like with momentum through 50% of the wick of the fair value gap. Then I'm looking for higher. So something like this, 2 all-time highs or equal highs, whatever. But going into this morning, I just wake up and then I see this, boom. So I'm still kind of, I guess, debating like whether this is last night. I'm debating like if we inverses, then I'm looking for longs. But then this morning happens, well, aka London, and then this happened. Boom, cool. So I hop onto my trader around like I think, like 8:50 macro really. This time zone. I see this, and then this does another macro. So I literally just get in. I got thingied. I was waiting for a change to stay. I think on the 2 minute here, but my fill accidentally got filled like somewhere like down here or somewhere here. So it was a really bad fill. But I mean, it's still a breaker. But just obviously the risk reward wasn't that good. So I got in like somewhere here by accident. My stop was here, and then I just targeted. I think it was like like 101. I think. I'll double check, but I was targeting this since we're following order flow, as you guys can see, we're no longer really bullish in my honest humble opinion. Um, Take a look at the guys. Look at the 4 hour. This is an order block. All right, this whole thing is an order block. This whole thing is an order block. So now, in order for me to like be bullish I guess for now, would be I would need to see a closure above this to continue going higher. For now, I'm bearish. I did do my pre-analysis, which is the short I was looking for on thing. The only thing I just don't like is that we do have SMTs, but I'm leaning more bearish than bullish if I'm really being honest. We did just invert this, so yeah. So I wanted to see high prices, especially like through here, like especially seeing this disrespected. But obviously that wasn't the case, and we respecting bearish order flow. So yeah, I just took a little trade. I'm just standing still right now because I don't know if we want to take it or go higher. We are going into a fair value gap on the daily. All right. Let me take this out real quick because it's confusing now. But yeah, whether we want to go higher from here or not, I would definitely want to see a rejection from here quickly. Like during the 10, if I see like a not like a 10 a.m. reversal, then I'm most likely gonna continue trading long for the short term. Whether we just rebounds back to either I don't know an order block or whatever the reasoning may be. But I'm just gonna wait. We're still following bearish order flow, of course. So yeah. I'm gonna go probably trade an hour. Yeah, you see, I would really be looking for a refill of this imbalance gap, of this new week opening gap, new range opening gap, opening range gap. If it allows me to do so, of course, during the 10 a.m. or during the 9:50, as early as 9:50, really, but preferably. Let me do ES as well. Opening. But yeah, good morning, by the way. Give me a second. I'm opening up the chat real quick on my phone. I was doing some deep reflection last night, and something I realized, bro. It's like I'm gonna increase my risk now. It's now or never. So yeah, is it gambling? Perhaps so, but I believe it's calculated gambling, especially when the odds are against or with you. If you know what you're looking for now, and you know what the fear should not really indicate your fear, I guess. But we will see, guys. We will see. Obviously, I'm not gonna freaking risk a lot, like on a shitty condition. Because I recognize, I was able to recognize. I'm like, if this is truly nice order flow market, then we should be able to respect it, and we did. So there's like little things that you eventually begin to catch on as a trader. Today is Thursday, I believe, right? Yeah. So today usually is the best day of trading for me. I've realized, because usually during Thursdays we have a good momentum behind the move, and then Friday obviously it's like either the retracement or continuation, depending on like if the higher time from targets would hit. So, I mean, I'm just gonna be patient right now. Oh, did I? I think sorry. I might give the head. Cause my chair. So yeah, right now I'm just waiting, guys. I'm really just waiting to see if we really do get a reaction from this week to go higher. I was looking into ICT's the first percent to fair value gap, and he was mentioning like he was saying something like if this volume imbalance gets respected, then he's probably gonna want to go lower. So I mean, that kind of shit to my mind. So I mean, it just logically makes sense too. Like even if we somehow didn't think it, but if we inverse this, then there's really nothing holding us back down from going lower. For these lows, this. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait and see. You just keep going lower. So I mean, we're not really doing anything as of yet. Just gonna be patient. I'll add it back later. It's too much stuff in my chart right now. It's kind of like. That'd be crazy if you just go all the way back up here. But I'm just gonna be. I am looking for longs more than not because of the opening and the price range and stuff. But obviously we do have to acknowledge that we're in a pretty bearish condition. So trying to pick that knife back up is gonna be pretty tough. But I'll definitely just wait till time allows with me, and like after 10 or so, like I'm just looking for maybe a previous hourly high sweep or something, just something that will indicate me we're going higher now. I am gonna add the opening range gap here for 9:30. Where did we close? Where did we close? We closed here. Where did we open today? Sheesh, it's a lot of points that we opened here. Okay, the micros now. Come here, little guy. You deserve love too. Okay, where do we open? Here we go. Alright. Alright, should be everything. Again, I am looking for a reversal back up, so I'm just gonna be very patient right now, but it looks like we're about to take it actually, so that's looking crazy. It looks like we're not gonna get an SMT, if I'm being honest. Let's look at the higher time frame. It looks very bearish. Bearish, sorry. Look at this puppy go. We do have a volume imbalance here, filled with the liquidity void. But if we're looking, wow, that's crazy. right here. We flipped it here. So right now I'm just gonna be waiting. I don't know if I even want to continue looking for shorts. There we go, we hit it, guys. Alright, so we hit liquidity for sure now on both. Right there. So the question now is whether we're gonna have a nice short-term bounce back up or not. I don't know, and probably go for like, I don't know, like equal highs or something, or like even the new week opening gap of a retest or something. I'm gonna take that for a bit. It's a little too much in my chart right now. We're bouncing within so many new week opening gaps, which is really frustrating me. Look at this, beautiful. Again, I'm just gonna wait. Bro, we just straight up dumping. That's fucking crazy. Yeah. Uh, 9:30. First presented for value gap. Good morning, guys. If you guys are just tuning in, drop a like, subscribe. I would appreciate it very much. Oh man, bro, we just straight dumping. That's tough. These are first presented. Again, like, yeah, I would just really be patient right now because look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Just look at this. We just swap this. So anything can happen right now. Excuse me. So right now I'm just waiting to see what happens. Why do I have it here? My bad. There we go. Alright. So I'm just gonna be waiting for this, guys. I'm just gonna be waiting for this. And I'm probably gonna take the fib of this and mark it down. Or not. There we go. Alright, so I'm just gonna mark this fib down and see if we can have some type of rejection from the upper level. Maybe like it touches the first consequent quadrant or something. Like the first quadrant of this Fibonacci gap, and then we just go up higher. That would be ideally, but I would need to see at least a 5-minute like. Alright, bro, there's so much going on here. It's kind of just making me brain fog right now. Let me take everything off. I do want to look for higher prices to London high, London everything else. London. Yeah, I would rather look for that. I don't really want to look for shorts anymore. But obviously I'm not going to try to fight the trend either. So I'm just going to be very patient. Very, very, very patient now for the 5 minute to show me some sort of sys or something. I'm not gonna get it from a 1M1. No. And then high. It is too much. And we tapped the new week opening the thingy, so that's cool. Yeah, I'm gonna take my charge for a bit, guys. This is really just having me a brain fart right now. Where's London High? Here it is. So yeah, I'm looking for longs, like permanently. For now, I'm not really looking for shorts. The problem with that yesterday, I got whooped with that because of that same logic yesterday. I was looking for longs all morning. Was it yesterday? Yeah, look at this shit. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I forgot to say, I also took another trade yesterday in the afternoon. Well, it's landing type of thing because where was it? No, I took it on Nasdaq or ES. Hold up, where did I take it on? When did I take this long? I think it was. Where was it? I know there was a fair rally gap included. When did I take this long yesterday? Hold up. I don't know. Whatever. I don't really care enough. Bro, we just straight dumping, dude. Straight just dumping. Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. Bro, what the fudge? I can never be part of this move, bro. It just sucks. If I would have held it, if would have, should have, cut off here, right here. Right here. Bro, imagine just holding this. Even if I got it 20, I got a little delayed and stuff. Bruh, oh shit. Bruh. Oh my goodness. That's funny. That is so funny. Whatever. That's crazy though. We really just straight running. Yeah, I don't know. My dad I don't know what to do right now. I'm a little bit just like more like frozen than not. Oh, what the fuck? How you wanna do this? Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm good. Oh, that's why I did. Oh, that's why I added the fair value gap. I'm like, why did I add it here? Because the ornament button included. Bro, that's crazy though. I'm gonna remove it for a little bit, real quick. It's just too much in my way, you know what I mean? Like, it's just in my way too much. I am not gonna long that shit. Hell no. Hell no. I mean, I'm not gonna long into here yet. I'm gonna wait for a 5 minute says or something. Bro, that's crazy. Just straight dump. Oh, that's tough. Bro, imagine we just quickly recovered this back too. It was a 4 hour. Yeah, we did definitely take out previous. That is fucking insane. I don't know really. I don't even know if I want to take it long now. I'm scared. Bro, we just dumped so much. We could get a revisit back to the first presented. That's how weak it is right here. Oh, we just straight dumped. I also want to see us revisit this thing. Anybody else did the shorts? Yeah, I'm a hell no, bro. Hell no, I'm not gonna upfront run this. Hell no, no Sirski. Nah, I'm good. Have this. I am good. Thank you very much. Okay, we already set liquidity here, so I don't know. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait a little bit. I'm gonna wait. I do want to see us go higher, obviously, but I don't know, because this could just be an equilibrium. I'm just wait. I'm just wait. Oh look, I have the chart open where I thingy. Right here. That's so funny. You see? I got a really bad fail, dog. Like a really bad fail. Excuse me. The hell? You see? I got a really bad fail here. And then I closed somewhere here. Because we already have taken out, I think, 4 hour liquidity, which is my easy liquidity draw. Yeah. Well, on the NASDAQ, we already did it cleanly. I'm not gonna upfront long that. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no, I'm gonna wait. I wait for more structure to play out and see what it wants to do. That's crazy. I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know what to do right now. Can we continue to go for lower targets? I mean, I deadass don't know. That's fucking funny. I deadass don't know. Like, I don't even want to go lower anymore. But then again, like higher is like really looking not really too for me. Like too confirming it. I don't know. I don't just rather wait and see what happens. Let me see what price allows me to get, or like, cause we just have so much down candles, dude. You know what I mean? Like it doesn't make sense because this could just be in a retracement to here. Like it could just be like this. Okay, it could just say we discuss respecting we go low one time and then we get a power of 3 on the thingy. Then yeah, maybe I'll go for it after a 10, but it has to be 10 o'clock. It's not 10 yet. It is looking like a nice V-shaped recovery though, I'm not gonna lie. nah, there's nothing really clear for me, if I'm being frankly honest with you. Let me open up trading on both again. Let me have these open up here. We just happen to the 5 minute. I'd really rather not try to trade against this. Technically, we gotta change the state right here. No, not really around the 2 minute, but around the 1 minute right here. But it's too risky now for me to try to look for anything. And like I said, even if we were to go shorter, right? Like, what would my target be? That's what I'm saying. I really don't know. New we had so good for like trading into them, like from here to here, but oh, that's like a nice, but just not worth it in my opinion. I'd rather see 5 minute structure form better. You know, we get inverse. Like, let's say we inverse this, then we get like another fair value gap around here. Then I would feel like a little confident looking for long, but I don't know. We finally hit that sell side though. That's good. Again, we are rejecting this fair value gap right here, but I don't know. And then I don't know what my target would be. That I don't know. That I don't know. That's fucking crazy, dude. Oh shit. And I wouldn't want to short either for two reasons. We're way below like the 8:30 midnight. You know what I mean? Like just realistically speaking, like we're way too low. We're way too much in a discount for me to try to buy that. Where's 9:30? Even 9:30, dude. Like 9:30 is here. I don't know. I don't know. Guys, drop a like if you guys haven't. I'm looking for see if there's news. I has how I never know for sure what happened. Ray was in October. Again, I'm not looking for short. We're just way too much in a discount, dude. Like this doesn't make sense for me. I would want to go for highs, not lows. I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait, guys. So, for example, let's just say at 10 we come down, right? Like this is which ideally I would want to. I can just scope it, scope down, take this, 10 a.m. and then reverse it, the power of 3. Even if it's a short term, like I wouldn't mind scalping that. Here comes 10 a.m. guys. Let's go. Alright. No, push down. Okay then. Sure. Alright, we already are in the thingy, so if we could tap into this and then I see a structure shift down, and I'll probably try to look for shorts. But I'll see. But I'm definitely just gonna be patient. I think we have SMTs with thingy. Yeah, we do have SMT so far. Okay, we do have SMTs. I will be going in with 2 here if we somehow do continue distributing. Alright, I'm going with, I don't even know, with 2. What the fuck? Oh. But I would want to see a closure below here though. And really invert this gap. And then I might get in, hold on. Let's just say my stop loss entry is here. Stop loss is here. We're just too bearish, bro. I don't want to try to fight that, if I'm being honest. Did we tap into OTE? Yeah, okay, I'm about to get in with 2 guys. So I'm trying to get in here at the high.
Order filled.
I'm in. Could come back up here though, but I really don't want to. This is a breaker. Ideally, you want to see this respected, and then this thing get reversed. So yeah, I'm gonna keep my stop loss short. A buy stop, 2. I'm going for this, guys. I'm keeping it short and tight. It's breaker. It's just so bearish. It's kind of hard to try to go against it. Those had S&Ts on top, so that was a good trade. That's a good thing. Yeah. I definitely want to see if I could take it down to here. I kind of want to. Think about what should I do. I want buy limit. I want to see expansion here though. I mean, so far so good. I mean, we're still just dumping, you know. I want to see expansion to this. Again, we have SMTs. I actually want to see something right now though. Oh wow. Bruh.
Order filled.
Yeah, I got stopped out there. If this gets inverted, I'll probably get back in. Okay, we're not gonna have SMCs anymore. This gets taken out. Okay. Okay, I'm just waiting, dude. I don't know. Again, this is just thingy. Okay. Alright, so what is that, a stop out? I'm assuming, yeah. That might have just been a stop out. Yeah, that might have just been the stop out. And then we're just expanding that higher now. What I'm looking at though right now is I'm still looking for long, really. Okay, we did reverse this. I want to see that. No, hold up. We'll go with 3. Didn't tap me in. Bruh. thinking right now. Hold up. I'm just waiting right now and seeing what it wants to do. It is looking pretty bullish now. We do have this IFEG in 5 now. We have this rotor block. I don't know. We do have this busy node. Let me just save you, sorry. So I mean, we get a retag back into this. Stop loss would be here. What do you mean worth though? Hold up, let me see the risk. 333. Yeah, what do you mean be a 1-on-1? However, if I get it from here, it would be worth it. So I'm just waiting. Ugh. I don't know. Yeah, we just started reversing. It's crazy. We will have a 15-minute change of state. I'm still leaning more bearish though, if I'm being honest. Obviously, we are rejecting that week daily, so we'll see what happens. Minute. I'd rather just wait, yeah.
Order filled.
I'm in. I'm choosing this order block to hold. This inversion. If not, I'm cooked. Yeah. 1 hour. We don't even have a 1 hour. Why we do? I really want to see this order block hold. I want to search push up. I'm starting push up continually. Come on, bro, don't do that gay shit. Oh yeah, hold up. Buy limit, sell stop up to. That's looking good, but the question is though, I really need to start seeing pushing up though. Come on, I don't want to see a closure. Oh, dude, come on. So I'm taking one off here, right? I'm taking one off here. And then the rest I'll probably take off. I don't know if it allows me to then here, I guess, but if not then so be it. Come on, continue higher. I don't want to see this get reclaimed again. Come on, start extending higher. I definitely don't like this. Bro, come on. Start pushing up.
Order filled.
And now just oh wow, bruh. And now just canceled it, dude.